Have a look at these sentences, guys. Sentence number 1. Those experiments are revealing. Okay, what is this? Noun, 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 noun. What is the subject? Those experiments. What is the predicate? Are revealing, yeah? Okay, here. Before experiments, those. What is those? It's a determiner, yeah? An article, a determiner. Those experiments. And together, what is this? A noun phrase. Their experiments. What is their? Possessive pronoun or possessive adjective, you could say. Possessive, yeah? Possessive pronoun or adjective. And what is together? The experiments, noun phrase, and be. Some experiments, many experiments, some, many. What are those? Quantifiers, very good. Quantifiers, some, many, a lot, yeah, a few. Together, noun phrase. 10 experiments. What is 10? A number. Together, a noun phrase. Nearly all experiments. What is nearly all? What is very many? What are those? Those are modified quantifiers. All is a quantifier. Yeah? Many is a quantifier, but they have a modifier. Yeah? Nearly all, a quantifier, modified. Very many, a quantifier, modified. We could say modified quantifiers. Yeah? Modified quantifiers. So together, again, noun phrase. So what is the lesson that we can learn here? That before a noun, you can have a determiner. Before a noun, you can have a possessive pronoun. Before a noun, you can have a quantifier. Before a noun, you can have a number. Before a noun, you can have a modified quantifier. And before a noun, you can have all these things. So we can use all these things, determiners, possessives, quantifiers, before nouns, and what do we obtain? Noun phrases. Before a noun, all these things. And what is the result? Noun phrases. So far so good? May I? It will be in YouTube anyway. Can I? One last effort, yeah? When I finish, we can go. It will be just a bit more. Okay, have a look at this. The experiments which he read are revealing. The experiments which he read are revealing. Okay, again, are revealing would be the predicate. The experiments which he read is the subject. What is the most important word here? The noun, experiments. Before the noun, the determiner. After the noun, what is this? Very good. What is which? A relative pronoun. So what is this? Relative? Yeah, relative clause, we can call it. Relative clause. So, and what is this whole thing? What type of phrase? Noun phrase. Why is it a noun phrase? Because the most important element is the noun. So, after a noun, we can have a relative clause. Yeah? Okay. Have a look at this. The experiments, I'm going to do something here. Have a look at this. The experiments, have a look at this move. This is a very important move. Ready for it? The experiments he read are revealing. Is this correct or incorrect? Correct or incorrect? It's correct. Is this a relative clause? Yes, it is. You know what type of relative clause is it? It's a reduced relative clause. So after a noun, you can have a relative clause or you can have a reduced relative clause. And what is the result? A noun phrase. Another one. The experiments, 2 more minutes. From the paper, from the journal, are revealing. Okay, again, experiments, the noun. Before the noun, an article, yeah, determiner. After the noun, what is this? From the journal. What is this? From? It's a preposition. So when we have a preposition, we call this a PP, not the party, not the political party. Prepositional phrase, PP. So after the noun, you can have a PP, prepositional phrase. And the whole thing together, what is it?
A noun phrase.
A noun phrase, yeah? Okay, another one. Sorry guys, one more, yeah? The experiments, the idea that language affects behavior is debatable, yeah? The idea is debatable. The idea is debatable. The idea, subject, is debatable. Predicate, yeah? However, I can add something more here. The idea, let's say, that language affects behavior. Again, this is the subject has become longer, yeah? The idea that language affects behavior is debatable. What is this? What is the noun? The most important word here. Idea, noun. Preceded by an article. And after the noun, that language affects behavior. What is that? Coral? That clause. What is this? This is that. So what is this? That clause. And what is the whole thing? The idea that language affects behavior? Noun phrase. So the lesson that I want you to learn is that after a noun, you can have a relative clause, you can have a reduced relative clause. After a noun, you can have a prepositional phrase. After a noun, you can have a that clause. And when you do that, you can make noun phrases, noun phrases, noun phrases. So far, so good? Maybe I can finish the second part of the explanation on Wednesday. It's like 3-4 minutes left, but we're running out of time. Yeah? Shall we finish the explanation 3 more minutes on Wednesday or finish it off now? Group behavior. Group behavior. Do you have energy for 3 more minutes of explanation or shall we cut it here? Okay, so far to this point, good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll finish the explanation on Wednesday, yeah? But I hope so far to this point you get it, yeah? Yeah. Okay, see you on Wednesday. I felt the pressure, I was explaining, I felt the pressure of the clock, and I was like, let's stop it.